So now let's try adding numbers that were in our different bases. We're going to start with 5. Just to remind everybody, in base 5, we've got these 5 single digits, and after that we have to start a 2-digit number. So we're never going to have the number 5 written in our answer. 5 would be written as 1, 5, and 0 ones. We would never have 6. It would be written as 1, 5, and 1 ones. All right, I'm going to set this up vertically. Now what I'm getting ready to write down is not the final answer. 4 plus 1 we think about being 5. But I said just a second ago, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the same thing as 1, 5, and 0 ones. Now I'm going to add my next place value. 1 plus 2 plus 3 gives me 6. But again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 would be written as 1, 5, and 1, 1. And then last, 1 plus 3 is 4, and 4 is itself 1, 2, 3, 4. So I can just leave it as 4. So my answer would be 4, 1, 0, base 5. Right, I've got one for you guys to try over here. I'll go ahead and set it up with that vertical. See if you can hit pause and give this one a shot. All right, let's see how you did with this one. 1 plus 4 is 5, but again, I'm not going to call that 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to call that 1, 5, 0 ones. 1 plus 1 plus 3 happens to be 5 again. Again, that is 1, 5, 0 ones. And again, 5 is the same thing as 1, 0. 1, 5, and 0 ones. So I get 1,000 base 5. All right, let's try our base 12 down below. So remember in base 12, we have 12 single, oops, I forgot 5 right there. We've got 12 single digits. So 10's a single digit and 11 is a single digit. It's not till we get to the 12th number that we would have double digits. And I'm going to go ahead and write out a couple more of these that I know we're going to need. So this 10 right here stands for 1, 12, and 0 ones, like a dozen. 1 dozen and no extras. The 1, 1 stands for a dozen with plus 1 more. So 1, 12, and 1, 1, so 13. I'm actually going to try D. Because I think it's a little bit harder. So remember, T stands for 10. So 9 plus 10 is 19. Let's see what the 19th number is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. The 19th number is 1, 12, and 7 ones. And notice that is 2 off. That makes sense because I had those 2 extra digits. So it would be a 12, that's the 1, and 7. That together would make that 19. I'm going to keep adding. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 11 happens to give me 19 again. I know that 19th digit is 1, 12, and 7 ones. And last, I've got 1 plus 8, which is 9, plus 5 gives me 14. The 14th digit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, is written as 1, 12, and 2 ones. So my final answer is 1. This pencil is just driving me crazy today. 1, 2, 7, 7, base 12. Now hit pause and see if you can work C. I think it's a lot easier. You shouldn't have to do any of that regrouping or carrying, but do remember that we're not going to leave 10 as 1, 0. We would write it as T. So that's your hint. Go ahead and hit pause and see if you can work this one out. All right, let's see how you did. 8 plus 2 is 10, but like I said before, I'm not going to leave that as 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to write that as T. 6 plus 5 is 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's going to be E for 11. And then the last one doesn't have anything, it's just 7. So my answer is 7ET base 12. And if you got that right, you are good to go on these. You should feel super proud. If you did not get it right, totally don't worry about it. Why don't you hit pause, rewind, and try some of these again. And if you need more practice on them, I can send you more practice. I have some worksheets that I can send you that have answers, and I'll also post those on Moodle. So if you want some more practice, I will post these extra adding of these bases on Moodle and the answers under the Exam 1 tile.